Using your Xena Split System controller is easy. Its user-friendly functions enhance your home comfort so you can enjoy the Daikin lifestyle. The on-off button is located in the middle of the controller. Simply press the round button once to start or switch off the unit. To change the temperature, use the temp arrows to raise or lower to a temperature that you desire. The fan button controls the speed of your fan. To adjust the speed, simply press and select a speed ranging from low to high, or select Auto to let the indoor unit automatically optimize the fan speed based on the room's conditions. When the airflow is set to indoor quiet operation mode, the airflow rate is set to a weak level, so noise from the indoor unit will become quieter. The Powerful Operation button boosts power to maximum capacity for a 20-minute duration to heat or cool the room quickly. To use this function, press to activate. Under the sliding panel of the controller, there are many more functions. Simply slide the panel down to access. Press the Mode button to select the operation you need. On Auto mode, the system will automatically select the appropriate operation based on the room's conditions at regular intervals. Dry mode eliminates humidity in the room whilst maintaining the temperature. Select Cool mode when you want to cool the room, and Heat mode to heat. Select Fan mode when all you want is a nice breeze in the room. The Econo/Quiet button toggles through 3 different setting options. Econo mode enables the unit to operate efficiently by limiting the unit's power consumption. It's useful when using the air conditioner and other electrical devices simultaneously on a shared electrical circuit. Outdoor unit quiet operation lowers the noise of the outdoor unit and is useful at night or when you don't want to disturb your neighbours. Combination operates both Econo and outdoor unit quiet mode together. To cancel any of these operations, press the Econo/Quiet button until no icon is displayed. The swing buttons adjust the airflow direction. Simply press the horizontal or vertical option for the chosen airflow direction. To keep the air flowing at a set position, once the desired position of the louvers is reached, press the button again to lock it in. The Brightness button changes the brightness of the indoor unit's multi-monitor operation lamp. Press and select from high, low, and off. Press Comfort/Sensor button and select your desired mode. Each press of the button will advance you through the different modes. Choose from Comfort Airflow. While in cooling mode, this function directs airflow upwards, preventing cool air from blowing directly on you. While in heating mode, airflow is directed downwards to drive warm air to the bottom of the room. Intelligent Eye. The Intelligent Eye sensor detects human movement in a room and directs air away from occupants. If no one is in the room for more than 20 minutes, it automatically switches to energy-saving mode. Comfort Airflow and Intelligent Eye. This mode operates with Comfort Airflow and Intelligent Eye operations combined. To cancel any of these operations, press the Comfort/Sensor button until no icon is displayed. To select a time to automatically switch on your unit, press the On button and use the select arrows until the desired time is on screen. Then press the On button again to activate. To cancel the operation, press Cancel. To select a time to automatically switch off your unit, press the Off button and use the select arrows until the desired time is on screen. Then press the Off button again. To cancel the operation, press Cancel. The Weekly Timer operation allows you to schedule up to 4 timer settings for each day of the week. Press the Program button followed by the select arrows to select the day of the week and the reservation number, ranging from 1 to 4. Then to set, press the Next button. Press Select to choose the desired mode and change the on or off setting in sequence. Then press Next again to confirm. Press Select to designate a time followed by Next to confirm. Finally, press Select to choose a temperature followed by Next. To complete, press the Program button. A reservation made once can be copied to another day of the week by using Copy mode. The whole reservation of the selected day of the week will be copied. Press the Program button followed by the Select button to confirm the day of the week to be copied. Then press Copy. The whole reservation of the selected day of the week will be copied. Press Select and nominate the destination day of the week. Now press Copy. Making sure to direct the remote controller toward the indoor unit and check for a receiving tone and flashing on the operation lamp. Finally, to complete the setting, press the Program button. To confirm a timer reservation, press the Program button. The day of the week and the reservation of the current day will be displayed. Press the select arrows to select the day of the week and the reservation number you wish to confirm. Press the Program button to exit confirming mode. To delete individual timer reservations, press the Program button. The day of the week and the reservation number will be displayed. Press Select to choose the day of the week and reservation number to be deleted. Press Next. Then the weekly and the On/Off button will blink. Press Select until neither on or off is displayed, and it will cancel any reservation you had on this reservation number. Press Next, and the reservation is deleted. Press the Program button to return to weekly timer operations. To delete timer reservations for entire days of the week, press the Program button, followed by the Select button to select a particular day of the week to be deleted. Once the day of the week has been selected, hold the Weekly button for 5 seconds, and all reservations for that day of the week will be deleted. For more information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line on 1300 368 300.